Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone looking to take control of their vehicle's health, the ANCEL AD310BT Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The AD310BT is not just any OBD2 scanner, it's a powerful tool designed to make vehicle diagnostics easy and accessible for everyone, whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a complete beginner. This device connects to your car's OBD2 port and works seamlessly with the ANCEL exclusive app available for both iOS and Android systems. One of the standout features of the AD310BT is its user-friendliness. It helps you avoid those costly repair shop surprises by giving you the accurate information you need to understand what's going on with your vehicle. The accompanying app includes helpful how-to guides and video tutorials on its help page, making DIY repairs easier than ever. You don't have to be a car expert to tackle basic issues, this scanner guides you through the process. The AD310BT excels in checking engine trouble codes. It allows you to monitor real-time gauge data directly from your vehicle's computer system. This includes vital metrics like fuel pressure and engine load, along with freeze frame data. This feature enables you to assess the health of your vehicle just like the professionals do. You can quickly determine the cause of engine system faults, read both current and permanent codes, and even clear them to turn off that pesky engine warning light. Another highlight of this scanner is its extensive coverage. The AD310BT supports all OBD2 protocols, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. If you have a car, light truck, or SUV from 1996 onwards, this scanner is suitable for you, regardless of whether it's foreign or domestic. Plus, with 8 language modes, you can easily switch to your preferred language for a smoother diagnostic experience. For those who value convenience, the AD310BT comes equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology. This ensures a quick, reliable connection to your vehicle's OBD interface, enabling easy data retrieval from the ECU. Additionally, it supports lifetime free software upgrades, ensuring you always have access to the latest vehicle data and diagnostic functions. And if you ever run into any issues, the product comes with a generous 5-year warranty and 24/7 customer support.